Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Denim handbags are very beautiful and stylish. They look simple but very attractive for daily use. It's a very beautiful, amazing, outstanding, different 50 plus designs in this video, and these bags are made from old jeans, so they are also eco-friendly. It is a great way to recycle clothes like this. It's a very beautiful, amazing idea, and this design is very pure, amazing, outstanding, because denim fabric is strong and long lasting. That is why these handbags can be used for a long time. You can carry denim handbags anywhere, like college, shopping, or casual outings. They match with many outfits. There are many designs like tote bags, sling bags, and shoulder bags. Every design has its own charm. Some denim bags have embroidery, which makes them look more fancy and colorful. Patchwork denim handbags are also very popular. They give a creative and unique look. You can also add buttons, beads, or lace to decorate your denim handbag. It makes it more beautiful, and always choose a strong stitching for your bag so it does not tear easily. A good quality zipper is very important. It keeps your things safe inside the bag. Try to add pockets in your handbag, and pockets help you organize your items easily. Light color denim gives a soft and fresh look. Dark denim looks more classy and elegant, and this idea is perfect for you. If you like some style, you can keep your bag plain. Simple designs also look very nice. If you like trendy style, you can try printed denim handbags. Always keep your bag clean. Wash it gently so the fabric stays strong. Do not overload your handbags. Too much weight can damage the stitching. Handbag denim handbags have more value because they show your creativity. You can also make these bags at home with simple tools like needle and thread. Denim handbags are also so good a gift idea for friends and family. You can mix denim with other the fabrics for a stylish combination, and adding strong handles is very important for comfortable carrying. These ideas is very amazing and different, and denim handbags are perfect for everyday fashion. They never go out of style. So friends, you can also sell handmade denim bags and earn money from your creativity. And always check finishing before using or sealing your bag. Good finishing looks more attractive. Try new ideas and designs to make your handbag different from others. And denim handbags show both fashion and smart thinking by recycling old clothes. All ideas is very creative, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's an amazing, highly demanding, and very creative denim handbags ideas. So keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel. All ideas is very amazing, very useful. It's a very beautiful, amazing recycling denim handbags ideas. Most beautiful, most demanding, different ideas. So start today. Pick your old denim and turn it into beautiful handmade. Stay creative, stay positive, and keep making amazing designs. Thank you for listening, and thanks for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting my channel. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.